This is class 9th, Employability Skills, Information Technology, code is 402. Unit number 4, Entrepreneurship Skills. Types of business activities. So how many types of business activities can be there? We will learn it with the perspective of entrepreneurship. So we have already seen about what is entrepreneur, what do we mean by entrepreneurship, and what are the unique features, qualities, and distinguished factors of being an entrepreneur or having an entrepreneurship. So we'll take an example of Rahul. This is the story, and then we will try to understand what kind of different business activities we can have. He is Rahul. Rahul loved cricket. Now he loves cricket. His passion is cricket actually. His favorite player is the god of cricket, Mr. Sachin Tendulkar. He would never miss a match. He went to daily practice with his friends in the nearby park. So that is, he is practicing every day. Now, he is like an all-rounder, like MS Dhoni, catching, batting, and bowling. But his love is, or he wanted to be a great batsman, ballebaz. He wanted to be a great batsman. So he started working on his game, improving his game. And at the tender age of 16, he was selected in state team, the state he belonged, and he started playing for state team. That is, he represented state team. Unfortunately, the team he was playing, the team lost, but still he was very sure that he will represent India, he will play for India one day, one coming day. So because he was such a good player and he has represented his state, people are coming to him, the villagers are coming to him, and they would advise, or they will take advice or suggestion from Mr. Rahul. Rahul kept trying, but unfortunately, he was not able to join any team. He tried a lot. So what are the other options left for him so that he can earn something also for as a livelihood, and he can be somewhere near the cricket or the game, the play. So what are the options available to him? So there are certain options. These are the options. He may start a cricket coaching center, a cricket training center where he can coach the upcoming budding cricketers. Can he open a coaching center? Or he can have a sports shop. He can open a sports shop where along with the cricket stuff, he can sell other stuff also. Or he can start sports academy. That is both of the work. That is, he can sell the cricket gadgets or cricket material. Also, he can train. So the question is, what do you think he will be doing in each of the options? Here he is going to give only training services. Here he will be selling the product. Here he is going to do both the things. So now we saw what kind of business activities are possible. There are 3 types of business activities which are possible. As we saw the story of Rahul, 3 kind of business activities we encountered. First thing is, he can directly sell the cricket related material, or he can provide the service training, or he can do both of the services, hybrid services. So what is the product services? A business where we have a seller and a buyer. So we have one seller, a buyer, and this seller and buyer, seller will sell some material, some product, and the buyer will buy the product in exchange of money, in exchange of, say, there has to be some exchange. So economy is involved, money is involved, and that all product can be seen, can be touched, it is tangible. This is called as a product based business. For example, a sports shop. If Rahul opens a sports shop, he is going to sell the product related to different games, and these products can be touched, it can be seen. So this is an example of product based business, right? In sports shop, along with cricket product, he can have, say, Rahul Sports Center. So badminton product and the swimming kit, all these are available. The second kind of business is service business. Now the seller is not giving any product. There is nothing involved which can be touched or can be seen. So the buyer is getting help from the seller. For example, a kid wants to be a cricketer. So he will go to the seller of the service. The seller of the service, that is the cricket training. So he will tell him, he will advise him how to do a tuck, how to play in the short ball, how to do the bowling, right, swinging or spinning. All these trainings or these services are being provided by the service provider. There is no product being sold, right? Only the services are being exchanged. Advice, suggestion, consulting, these are being exchanged, or these are being bought or purchased by the buyer, not an actual product. So basically service is being given, semi services. Now there is another kind of business which is combination of all these, both of these. So one was product based, we just saw. The other is service based. So the business where we have product as well as services, that is, you are selling the product also and you are providing the services also. If Rahul opens a sports academy, so he has a shop there, and he also in the ground he can teach them, he can train them. So at the same time he is selling also, and at the same time he is providing the services also. For example, if you go to a restaurant, you eat food, you order a food. So the food will come to you, and that food will come. This food is tangible, you can touch, you can feel. So this is a product. But the person, like a waiter who is giving you services, he is bringing you food, he is bringing you water, he is bringing you the bill. So he is providing you services. Now let us take the question answer. State the type of business, product, service or hybrid. So Arun Bakery, which makes and sell bread to people. So here Arun Bakery is only selling the product. So this is a product based service. Okay, it is not providing any service. It's just a product being given or sold. Ram's repair shop, which repairs motorcycle. So Ram is not selling anything. He has a skill. He might have learned how to repair the motorcycle. So now he can repair it. So he is providing services. Hari's hair salon, where he cuts hair for women and men. So until he is not providing or not selling anything, he is only providing these services because he knows how to cut hair, how there are different activities related to hair grooming. So he is providing a service. Okay. So there is no hybrid also, because hybrid only comes when the product is also sold and the service is also being sold. What are the three types of business activities? Explain with example. So we have seen about product, services and hybrid, right? So let us see. These three only you have to answer in this. So this one is, there are three types of business activities. Product business. So these are three types of business services: product business, service business, and hybrid business. So where the first one is where the buyer and seller exchange an item. That item is tangible. It can be seen and touched. For example, Rahul's sports shop. So he's selling the shop, he's selling the product in the shop, right? So this is the product shop. Now service shop. You are providing the training, your say knowledge. If you are giving tuition, you are only doing this service business. Hybrid is if Rahul opens an academy, he is same time he is selling the product also, and he is also giving the training, he is giving the advice, he is suggesting, right? So this is also, you can take an example of restaurant. Restaurant providing a food is providing a product, and then providing the different catering services or hospitality comes under services. So it's a hybrid business. Okay, this is all about this discussion. Thank you so much. Take care of yourself.